binge. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hey, my fam out on the hill somewhere. They don't know where the pool is.
What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be working with Unice. You guys know this is one of my favorite hair companies. You guys know Unice is one of my favorite hair companies. They sent me a 30-inch period for me, 30 inches. They sent me a 30-inch 5x5 HD lace. I already went ahead and bleached the knots, as you can see. I think I'm gonna go back into bleaching my hair because it gives it more a natural look, and you don't see none of them black dots. But overall, you guys know already, Unice hair is bomb. I love their hair. This is thick. Like, I'm kind of scared to install it right now because it's summertime and I'm gonna be mad hot, but I can't help it. The good thing about closures is that you won't honestly have to glue unless you want that real melted look, but you can still get the real melted look with an elastic band. So today though, I want that real melted look, so I'm going to be gluing my hair down. I'm only going to be using one layer. I don't want to use too much layers because I'm not going to keep it in long, but dang, I don't have nothing to push my hairline back with. Oh well, so let's just go. I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on the lace. So I went ahead and pushed my hairline back, and I also applied makeup on my lace. I like the lace, I like the makeup better than the lace tint, because I don't know, I have a whole bunch of different lace tints, but I feel like it's just not hitting the way it's supposed to hit, the way other people be hitting. So I said, let me stick to makeup because makeup been doing me good. So I'm honestly rushing right now. I have to leave at 8:30. It's 8 o'clock. So, whew, I tried to do my best with plucking because, like I said, I'm in a rush right now. But this wig is tight, honestly. I won't probably even have to glue it down. I probably won't have to glue it down. It's honestly tight. This is a closure. All I have to do is just cut the lace off and then you're done. But like I said, I'm going to be gluing this down. So, that's what we're about to do. I don't have a mirror up close, y'all. So, I'm like looking in the camera mirror. And this is hard for me right now. Like, I'm low-key struggling. Y'all, I swear, bleaching your lace, like, really makes it look so natural. Like, I love the bleach look. And then with the makeup on top, like, it just does everything. So, y'all, I went ahead and cut off the lace. Let me move you guys up so you guys can see what I'm doing. I went ahead and cut off the lace. Now it's time to, hold on, I'm trying to fix this camera. Like I was saying, I went ahead and cut off the lace. Now it's time to apply the glue. I use ball hold, and I'm going to use one layer because, like I told you guys, this is not going to stay on for long because it's too hot. So I'll put my glue about right here. I'm not going to put a lot, just one layer. Just about so. And we just gonna smooth that out. Just like this. If you're not using a wig cap like me, y'all, make sure your edges are like nowhere near the glue. Like absolutely nowhere near the glue. I'm not playing my edges. So you're gonna smooth it out just like that, and you're just gonna wait for it to get clear. And once it's clear, you guys know, like, it's time to lay that lace, baby. Okay, so you guys see how you can like barely see the glue? This is when you want to lay your lace. And then after, you want to secure it with elastic band. Also, if you guys want to do this way but you don't want to use glue, you can use, I have it right here. You can use either the gel or the spray, or use both. Use the gel to lay it, put it down, or use the spray to lay it. Listen, you can use both, honestly. But today we're going to be using glue, but that way is very, very temporary. Like, it does not last. And if you're a sweater, just don't do it. You're setting yourself up. So this is how we're going to lay the lace. Just lay it right over the glue. And you guys already see that this thing is like melted, like legit melted. So go ahead and just spray my hairline, just so I could push this hair back, so it's easier for me to do my baby hairs after. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. Be careful, y'all, this is dangerous. I've burnt myself countless times, like more than enough times. You just want to pull it back just like so. I wish I plucked this a little better, but right now I'm rushing, y'all. Like, I can't really pluck the way I want to pluck. Now it's time to go in with your elastic band and tie that down just like so. So while we're waiting for that to, you know, set in and, you know, get while we're waiting for that to get melted, you can either style your hair if it's not styled or just wait 10 minutes. But we're gonna just go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm gonna speed this part up. Now that that is done, this hair is mad thick, y'all. I thought the hair was still puffy, but this hair is just mad thick. And like I said, it's just 30 inches. I'm about to show you how long it is now. If I could, but this goes, let me see if I jump real quick. This, nope, horrible. This goes all the way down. It's past my butt, y'all, and I'm 5 feet. So let's go ahead and take this lace off, this band off, and see how this lace is looking. Is it laid, y'all? Oh my god, that's coming straight out my scalp. Like, nobody's telling me nothing. Straight out my scalp. Hold on. Now it's time to do these baby hairs. I need to hurry up because we gotta go. I will leave it like this, but I'm a baby hair girl. Like, I need baby hair. Okay, so y'all, my hair was, my camera turned off while I was doing my baby hairs, but I went back in again and I re-straightened the hair. This hair is so thick, y'all. Makes you feel like the hair is not straight, but it is straight. Like I said, it's 30 inches. It comes all the way down. That probably did nothing. But let's go ahead and take off this wrap, because I had this wrap holding my hair down, my edges. And let's see how this look. Now before I take this off, y'all, I don't know how it's gonna look. Don't judge me. I like working with frontals, so I feel like I like doing all the extra baby hairs and stuff. So when I have closures, I can't really do much. So like I said, don't judge me after I take this off, because I don't know how it's about to look. Okay, I hope it looks good. Oh, okay, I see what you did there. Okay, it's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. It's fine. It's looking good. Okay. Oh, I still got it. How y'all like this? What y'all rating this down below? I want to go back in and do some more plucking, but I love this hair. Unice, I love me some Unice. But like I said, y'all, I'm in a rush, so right now I gotta hurry up and go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get us going. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
Just had a newborn with a new ground and a new tone. You can cry now, I'ma still go. Don't hit my phone unless my blue bins. Tryna fuck on a few twins, hit my fan.